everyone, welcome back to my kitchen, and I'm Kate from Nodo, and today we are making banana bread. Best ever banana bread. I cannot go past a piece of banana bread, and I don't know if there's anyone out there who doesn't love banana bread. I've never met them anyway. So mash the bananas. All you need is 3 eggs and half a cup of oil, so we're just going to add that. I use olive oil, but you can use whatever oil you like. You can use coconut oil, sunflower oil. You can also use melted butter. I like to keep it dairy free, but if you want to use melted butter, it works perfectly. Okay, whisk it all in together, and then we're just going to pop the whole bag of banana bread mix into the bowl. Okay, now just gently stir it all together, and then we're just going to pour all of that into the tin. A hot little tip that we do at the cafe, you just drizzle the tiniest amount of oil down the center of the loaf before putting it in the oven, and wait and see what happens. That's been in the oven for 50 minutes and it's beautiful and golden, so I'm just going to turn that out and just let that cool for about 10 or 15 minutes before we slice. Probably still a little bit warm for slicing, but I'm so impatient. Check that out. That's some good banana bread. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed our little video, and I can't wait for you to try our banana bread for yourselves. But honestly, have you ever met someone who doesn't love banana bread?